What are the secrets to getting AdSense approval quickly? First, forget those super short, low effort posts. Google wants to see that you are serious. Aim for at least 15 to 20 articles, each at least 1,000 words, packed with useful info. Think quality, not quantity, but definitely some quantity too, and absolutely no plagiarism. Google's got eagle eyes. Second, niche down, profit up. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Pick a niche you're passionate about and make sure it's not one of those Google frowns upon, like gambling or adult content. Research what's profitable, but don't get too caught up in chasing trends. Third, Google's got your back. A little SEO goes a long way. Use relevant keywords naturally and use Google Search Console and page speed insights to make sure Google can easily crawl and understand your site. So there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be well on your way to AdSense approval. Good luck.